I couldn't just do one test, so we had to do another airplane mode test. The Oura Ring 4 versus the RingConn 2. We'll go alphabetically. O comes before R. So go to details, nothing. Yesterday, nothing. So yeah, I haven't synced this since last month. So another 2 full days. Let's see what happens when it goes back on the charger. Is the battery dead? If so, we'll find out. Come on. Oh, did I not plug it in? Well, that was anticlimactic, now wasn't it? No, it's plugged in. Huh? Huh? There we go. Little power problem there, but that's okay. Oh, updating. Time of life, 1711. And now we wait. So the last time we did test was 9:29. It does take a hot minute to update and sync, especially 2 days worth of data. And the battery life, oh, okay, 51%. So it has been tracking all day and all night. Wow, I fell asleep. That's good. Tracked my nap. 7,000 steps today. That seems about right. Did track my sleep last night? Yes. Oh, looks like it's still, there we go. Sleep score 81. Bedtime tonight, okay, looks good. Woke up. Let's go back to yesterday. Sleep score, yep. Activity, 8,500 steps. That's about right. Oh no, 15,000 steps yesterday. Almost 8,000 today. And I finished the September month with 5,000. And it did my walking workout. Confirm yesterday's. Walking, yes. Walking, yes. Walking, and more walking. Looks good. So we'll let that charge for a bit. Now it's time for this one. I don't know if you've read the news, but Oura Ring did announce recently, in fact, yesterday, I believe, that they have a new ceramic smart ring. It's still an Oura Ring 4, very much like this one right here, but it's ceramic and it comes with a clamshell case. Interesting. So they've been watching the Circle Sensoring, RingConn, and Samsung, and maybe they've heard back from users that clamshell is the way to go. I concur. So just like before, put it in the clamshell. Yep. Open up RingConn. Nothing from today, nothing from yesterday. Last sync, same as before. Click on the airplane mode, uncheck, confirm. And now we wait. I've never had it not come out of airplane mode. In fact, neither of these rings. I'm also doing a ring comparison, the Oura Ring 3 versus the Ultra Human Ring Air. And then I'll do another one with Samsung versus RingConn. That should be fun. So many videos, so many possibilities. Oh, looks like we're good. Battery life was only down to 71%. So this one is newer. I've had this one, 4 months. This one's almost an entirely aged year-old ring. So the battery life was never as good, never will be as good as this one. Even when this one reaches 1 year, and if this one was 6 months, yeah, RingConn is way better. And it has a battery life expectation, which is really nice. Okay, and looks like we got sleep. Oh, 9,000 steps. What a difference, right? Because Oura only said, oh, there's another walking workout. Confirm. Oh, 7,000. An extra 2,000 steps almost. Looks like everything was tracked yesterday. And then as it continues to sync, it should, there we go. Walking activity today at 1300, 54 minutes. And instead of walking, it was actually disc golf. Do they have disc golf? Sailing, skateboarding, fencing. It would be nice if these were alphabetical, please. Frisbee, close enough. Intensity, yeah, a 2. I'll say a 3. And add record. And then walking activity, yes, that was correct. Yesterday. Activity yesterday. Activity yesterday. I like to take quick little breaks. Activity yesterday. Looks like neither ring misses a beat as long as you sync them about every 2 days. I do recommend definitely every 24 hours, but if you really needed to, you could wait. 2 days. All right. Awesome. So we'll close you, let you rest for a little bit, and charging normally. If you get a huge bump in battery charging or a huge drop, we all know that that means your battery is degrading and it's going to be time to get a new ring soon. You might only have months left. It appears I turn off the camera too soon. Battery health issues with the Oura Ring 4 for, it's like the 7th time. It's not looking good finish, not at all. It's only been a few seconds. It's 17:19 and it jumped to 80%. Whew. Okay, let me check my camera footage. But just in case, we'll open up RingConn. Yep, 79. It's just charging nice and slowly. And if I click here, case is at 80, ring is at 79, all is well. And this one did not track my really short nap. Normally it does, but for some reason it missed it. And I was wearing them on both the same hand, just like this. Oura Ring on my right index and the RingConn Air 2 or RingConn 2 Air, yeah, on my right. Sorry, right ring, right index, yeah.